What's up guys, welcome to the unboxing and review of the iPhone XS Max 64GB Silver Edition. I'll be going over the unboxing and some of the features of the phone. So let's get started. Here we have the iPhone. Got the silver one. As you can see, the Apple logo. Apple has always had really good design, really good packaging. This is the silver one. Even the packaging shows the silver. Let's go ahead and open it up. As it says, designed by Apple in California. So this would be the reading material. Let's put that. Let's see what's inside. Your documentation, your quick start guides, and your SIM pin. Also includes 2 stickers from Apple. This is the quick start guide showing you how to set up your iPhone for the first time. Let's put this aside for now. Let's have a look at the iPhone. As we can already see, this is quite a large phone. This is the silver. Some people might confuse it with the white, but it's not. It's actually silver when you look at it. Comes with the adapter and headphones that have lightning connector. You can see the lightning connector. This is different from the 3.5mm headphone jack. Your lightning cable, you can use it to charge your phone and transfer data. Let's put it aside for now. Let's have a look at the iPhone. I'm going to turn it on. So I'll also be going over the setup process of this iPhone. If you don't want to do that, you might want to skip where we can go into the review. But if any of you want to see how to set up an iPhone for the first time, this will be a good tutorial. So here we have the welcome screen. Hello, swipe up. So this phone does not have a home button. You have to swipe up from the bottom. That's how you get to the screen. So let's go ahead with setup. Select English. Canada, you can select Canada. It does a good job of explaining what you should select and what you want to do next. This is a quick start. If you want to bring up any, so click manual and you can now set up your Wi-Fi. Select your Wi-Fi, enter your password, and it should take you on. So enter your password, and now it's online, it's connected. It's just activating the iPhone right now. Data and privacy. Apple has been making a big push towards that, so let's continue. Set up your Face ID, one of the biggest features of this phone. I'll set this up later. Now here's a choice. You can either create a passcode to protect your device, or you can go into the passcode options and say don't use passcode. I don't like to lock my phone. In this case I'm going to say don't use passcode and say are you sure? I'll say yes, don't use passcode. Apps and data, do you want to restore anything? I don't have, this is a brand new phone, so I don't have anything to restore. So set up as new iPhone. This is where you have to enter your Apple ID to get all the Apple services like iCloud, App Store, Music. So enter your Apple ID and you'll get all the services. So once you enter your ID, you'll get to the terms and conditions. It'll take a few minutes to set up Apple ID and your account on the device. And this screen is asking you to keep it up to date. It's always a good idea. Get the latest updates, iOS updates, and security updates. That's a good idea. So let's continue. Location services. This is needed for services like maps and any apps. So let's enable location services. Siri. This is the Apple AI assistant on your phone. Setting this up later. This is a new feature, screen time, that you can set up so that you can limit the amount of time. So I'm just going to set up later. Analytics, if you want to share your device usage with Apple, I'm just going to say don't share. True tone display. Let's see what it looks like. It actually gives you a preview. It does make a difference, so let's use the true tone display. Continue. Display zoom, it sort of enlarges the icons and text on the device. So choose a view, pick one. And I'm just going to select the standard or the zoomed. I'm just going to select the standard, go next. And here shows how you can go home. You have to swipe up. There's no more home button. Continue. If you want to switch between recent apps, you have to press up and hold. You can access your controls from the top right. Scroll down. Continue. There we have it. The phone is now set up. This is the new home screen. Something cool I wanted to show you guys. This is the live wallpaper. When you press the 3D touch on the display. Another cool feature right on the home screen. Press and you get the torch. It has a very clicky feeling, just like the old torches that you have, just like a physical button. Same thing with the camera. Press hard enough and it launches the camera right from the home screen. So guys, there you have it, the iPhone setup.